Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, this is the second video from the exercise 6.2. For the first part, please check the description box, the link will be there. Okay, so here in sum number 8, x into x plus 2 and here x square minus 1 that equal to minus 1, and you have to solve this equation. So first here x into x plus 2, and according to the formula of x square minus 1 square, you know that it will be x plus 1 into x minus 1 that equal to minus 1. Now you have to make a pair. So first you have to x into x plus 1, then multiply x plus 2 into x minus 1. Then from the first multiplication, x square plus x, here in the second multiplication, x square plus x minus 2. So now you have a common portion, that is x square plus x, here also x square plus x. So let x square plus x as a. Okay, so therefore it will be a into a minus 2 that equal to 1, sorry, this one minus 1. Okay, so that imply a square minus 2a plus 1 that equal to 0. Okay, a square minus 2a plus 1 that equal to 0. That means here a minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So from that a equal to 1 comma 1. Okay, as here whole square, that means there will be two values. So for the first one here 1, second one also 1, because here a minus 1 into a minus 1 that equal to 0. So as here a equal to 1, now put down the value here x. So that means here x square plus x equal to 1. Okay, x square plus x equal to 1. So here if you common x, so here x square plus x equal to 1. So now x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. And here if you apply the Sridhar-Acharya formula, then you will get x equal to plus minus 1, here 1 square minus 4ac. Okay, that means here 4 into minus 1 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus minus, yes, 1 plus 4, that means root 5 by 2. Okay, so now you have the two solution. First one is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, and second one is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. Now sum number 9. In sum number 9, here x plus 1 into 2x plus 3, then into 2x plus 5, then x plus 3 that equal to 945. So first here x plus 1 into x plus 3, and then you have to arrange x 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 5 that equal to 945. So then after multiplication you will get x square plus 4x plus 3, and here you will get 4x square plus 16x plus 15 that equal to 945. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now here x square plus 4x plus 3, and here if you common 4, then you will get x square plus 4x plus 15 by 4 that equal to 945. So here x square plus 4x plus 3, so here x square plus 4x is the common term. So if you let this one a, so you will get a plus 3, and here 4 will be here, and a plus 15 by 4 that equal to 945. Okay, so a plus 3 and a plus 15 by 4 that equal to 945. So now if you multiply this one with 4, so you will get 4a plus 15 that equal to 945. Clear? Now if you multiply this one, then you will get 4a square, and here you will get 4 into 3, so it's 12a. and here 15 into a, it's 15a. So 12a plus 15a, that equal to here 27a, and then 15 into 3, 45, then minus 945, it becomes minus 900, that equal to 0. So now you have 4a square plus 27a minus 900, that equal to 0. So now you have to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, now next here 4a square minus 48a plus 475a minus 900, that equal to 0. So if you common here 4a, then you will get a minus 12, and here if you common 75, then you also get a minus 12, that equal to 0. So that means here a minus 12, and the second one will be 4a plus 75, that equal to 0. So either a minus 12 equal to 0, and from that a equal to 12, or here 4a plus 75, that equal to 0, or a equal to minus 75 by 4. Okay, now you have to put down the value of a. So here x square plus 4x, that equal to 12, then x square plus 4x minus 12, that equal to 0, and if you solve this equation, you will get x plus 6 and x minus 2, that equal to 0. From that x equal to minus 6 and 2. Okay, now for the next one, x square plus 4x, that equal to minus 75 by 4. So from here 4x square plus 16x plus 75, that equal to 0. Now if you solve it by by Sridharacharya formula, then minus 16 plus minus root over, here 16 square means 256, minus here 4 into AC. So 4 into 4 into 75, and you will get 1200 divided by 2a. So 2a means 2 into 4, that becomes 8. So here minus 16 plus minus, and as here 256 minus 1200. Okay, 256 minus 1200, so it will be 944 in negative. Okay, divided by 8. So here minus 16 plus minus 944 means 59 into 16, and root over 16 means here 4. So 4 root over 59i divided by 8. Okay, so now if you common here 4, then it will be cancelled out with 8, and it becomes 2, and the first one will be 4 plus minus root over 59i by 2. Okay, so here minus 6, 2, and minus 4 plus minus 2 root over 59i is your answer. Now sum number 10. Here x square plus x minus 6, x square minus 3x minus 4. So first you have to factorize these two quadratic equation, and whenever you factorize the first one, that means x square plus x minus 6, then you will get x plus 3 into x minus 2. Okay, and from the second one, x square minus 3x minus 4, then you will get x minus 4 into x plus 1, that equal to 24. Now you have to make a pair to common something. So here x plus 3, I hope x plus 3 will be multiplied with x minus 4, and then the next one x minus 2 into x plus 1, that equal to 24. Okay, so now here if you multiply this one, you will get x square minus x minus 12, and here also x square minus x minus 2, that equal to 24. Okay, so now you have x square minus x as common, so let this one as a. So a minus 12, a minus 2, that equal to 4. Okay, now multiply again, a square minus 14a plus 24, again minus 24, that equal to 0. So 24 cancel out. If a will be common, so a minus 14, that equal to 0. Okay, so either here a equal to 0 or a equal to 14. Now you know that the value of a here, x square minus x, so that equal to 0, and here also x square minus x, that equal to 14. So from the first one, if x will be common, so that equal to 0, so from that x equal to either 0 or x equal to 1. Okay, so 0 and 1 are the two solution. And from the next one here, x square minus x minus 14, that equal to 0. Now by Caesar Acharya, x equal to here you will get minus 1 plus minus. Okay, so as here b itself minus, so it will be in positive, root over here 1 square, that means 1, then minus, as here c will be negative, so it will be in again positive, so 1 plus 14 into 4, that means 56, so 56 by 2, so that equal to 1 plus minus root over 57 by 2. Okay, so 1 plus minus root over 57 by 2 is your answer. Now sum number 11, 1. Root over x by 1 minus x plus root over 1 minus x by x, that equal to 13 by 6. So first you have to let root over x by 1 minus x as a. Okay, so if this one as a, so a plus, and this one is the reciprocal of this one, so you can write down here 1 by a, that equal to 13 by 6. Okay, so now you have the equation a plus 1 by a, that equal to 13 by 6. So here if you add this one, you will get a square plus 1 by a, that equal to 13 by 6. So now cross multiply 6x square plus 6, that equal to 13a. So finally a square minus 13a plus 6, that equal to 0. This one is your quadratic equation. Now you have to solve this equation by middle term factorization method, and it's very easy. You will get here as a square, so this one as a square minus 13a plus 6. Okay, sorry, this one 6a square, not only a square. So 6a square minus 13a plus 6. So now write down 6a square minus 9a and then minus 4a. So 9a and 4a, it becomes 13a, then plus 6 here also. So from that, if you common 3a, then you will get 2a minus 3, and here minus 2 common, so you will get, if minus 2 common, so 2a minus 3 again. So from that, here 3a minus 2 and 2a minus 3 are the two factors of this equation. So from that, here 3a minus 2, that equal to 0, so a equal to 2 by 3, or 2a minus 3, that equal to 0, therefore a equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so if a equal to 2 by 3, then just put down the value. So root over x by 1 minus x, that equal to 2 by 3. Now squaring both sides, so x minus 1 by x, that equal to 4 by 9. Clear? Now cross multiply 9x equal to 4 minus 4x. So here 13x will be here 4. So if 13x equal to 4, then x equal to 4 by 13. So x equal to, now you have 4 by 13. Now next one, if a equal to 3 by 2, then again x by 1 minus x equal to 3 by 2. Then squaring both sides, x by 1 minus x, that equal to 9 by 4. So here 4x equal to 9 minus 9x. So 13x equal to 9, and from that x equal to 9 by 13. So here x equal to 4 by 13 and here x equal to 9 by 13 is your answer. So now the second one, sum number 11 2. Okay, so sum number 11 2, you have to again let this one as a. So if the first one will be a, then definitely the second one will be 1 by a, because this one the reciprocal of the first one, so that equal to 8 by 3. Okay, so now again if you subtract this one, you will get a square minus 1 by a, that equal to 8 by 3. So cross multiply 3a square minus 3, that equal to 8a, then finally you have 3a square minus 8a minus 3 that equal to 0. So now if you factorize this one, you will get a minus 3 into here 3a plus 1, a minus 3 into 3a plus 1 that equal to 0. So either a equal to 3 or here from this one a equal to minus 1 by 3. It's very easy. Now just put down the value of a. You know that is root over 4x minus 1 4x plus 1 that equal to 3. Okay, so squaring both side, here you will get 9. So that equal to 4x minus 1 equal to 9 into this one. Okay, so here minus 32x that equal to 10, minus 32x that equal to 10, so it's 16, it's 5. So from that x equal to minus 5 by 16. Now for the right hand side, as here a equal to minus 1 by 3, which is not possible because the left hand side is a non-negative real numbers or a complex number, while the right hand side is the negative number. So that means here you have only one solution, that is minus 5 by 16. Now sum number 12, 1. Root over 3x plus 4 that equal to x. So first squaring both sides, you will get 3x plus 4 that equal to x square. Okay, so from that x square minus 3x minus 4 that equal to 0. Now if you factorize this equation, then you will get x minus 4 and into x plus 1 that equal to 0. So from that x equal to 4 and x equal to 1. Okay, so x equal to 4 and x equal to 1. So as here, sorry, this one minus 1. So as here, if x equal to minus 1, then this one will be 3 into minus 1 plus 4 root over that equal to here minus 1. Okay, so now you have root over minus 3 plus 4 that equal to minus 1. So from that 1 equal to minus 1. Okay, so 1 equal to minus 1, and which is not possible because 1 always not equal to minus 1. Okay, so that means here x equal to minus 1 is not the solution of this equation. So here x equal to minus 1 is not the solution of this equation. So x equal to 4 is a solution. Okay, I hope it's clear. Next, sum number 12, 2. In sum number 12, 2, you have root over 3x plus 1 minus root over x minus 1 that equal to 2. So squaring both sides, you will get here 3x plus 1. Okay, then here plus x minus 1, and then 2 into, it will be minus because a square plus b square minus 2ab that equal to 4. Okay, so now here 3x plus here 4x, 1 cancel out, then 4x minus 2 root over 3x plus 1 root over x minus 1 that equal to 4. So from that 4x minus 4 that equal to 2 into root over 3x plus 1, here x minus 1. So now here if 4 will be common, so it becomes x minus 1 that equal to 2 into root over 3x plus 1 x minus 1. So now if 2 cancel out with this one, and if you again squaring both sides, then you will get 4 x minus 1 whole square that equal to 3x plus 1 x minus 1. Okay, now here you have to write down 4x square minus 2x plus 1, and this one will be 3x square plus x minus 3x minus 1. So now that one will be 4x square minus 8x plus 4. So 3x square minus 2x minus 1. So finally x square, and this one will be minus 6x, and here minus plus 4, here plus 1, so it's 5. that equal to 0. So x square minus 6x plus 5 that equal to 0. Then from that equation you will get x minus 5 and x minus 1 that equal to 0. So if x minus 5 equal to 0, then from that x equal to 5, and if x minus 1 equal to 0, then from that x equal to 1. Now you have to check this one. Just put down the value of 5 and 1. If these two values satisfy this equation, so this will be your final answer. So here 5 and 1 both satisfy this equation. That means here the given solution is 1 and 5. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, now one thing I want to share with you, that here we are create our new site, that is JBR online classes. The link of this website in your description box. You can here just click this portion and here you will get the videos. Okay, and if you are from class 9, then choose your videos, that means your chapter wise. Just click down the name of the chapter. If you are from class 10, then again, then 11 and then 12. Okay, it's very easy. Just you have to just find out your chapter and then just click on the name, that means here expansion. Just click on the expansion and you will get all the videos from the expansion. It's very easy. Okay, so if you like this one, please comment us, and if you want to give us any suggestion regarding this matter, please tell me, then I will be make to do or something to do for this one. Okay,